Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, please, so that we can get more subscribers and keep making videos for you. We really appreciate that. All our hands for you to support us. And let's dive in today into how to mount a TV and measure it in place to mount on a wall without studs. Let's get into it right now. Thank you very much. Hey guys, today we're going to mount a TV on this wall. So before we start, we want to measure the TV, the vertical height as well as the horizontal width, so that we can mark the measurement on the drywall or on the surface that we want to mount the TV. So begin out with measuring the TV out and marking the position of the TV on the wall. Right, so sit down on your couch and determine where you want to mount the TV, and after that measure your TV and put those markings with a green tape on the wall. Horizontal green tape, vertical green tape. Make it into a rectangle, and then sit down on your couch, or sleep on your bed, whichever room you're mounting it in, and see whether this is the proper height for you, right? And then mark it out, and this is definitely going to help you to mount your TV, to help you to identify where to drill the holes. Okay, so after you've done with that, the next task is to put on the vertical brackets on the back of your TV. So these brackets, they are the TV mounting brackets, the vertical pieces. Find the right screws, put in some spaces if you want to give a gap, and then after that is done, put in the wall plate onto the TV. And the next step is to measure the distance between the mounting holes and the top of the TV. So the top of the measuring tape is level with top of the TV, and then you want to measure the first row of mounting holes on the TV bracket. So make the TV straight so that you're getting an accurate measurement, and look at how many inches is it from the top to the row of mounting holes. So from here you can see it's about 7.5 inches. So put your measuring tape exactly there below your TV and mark your 7.5 inches. Right, this is where the mounting holes are going to be. Put a straight line on the wall. You can use a pencil so you can erase it. Then now you know where are the top holes in that line. So remove the bracket from the TV and then match it up with the line that you just drew. To determine, make sure the TV, the wall mounting bracket is straight, and you see you have the line there, right? So you put the line first, and then now you want to take a pencil and mark that mounting holes on the drywall. Here we're using the two furthest holes apart. So and in this example, we're going to mount to a wall without any studs, because this wall, the studs are 24 inches apart. We're going to use the elephant anchors to mount this TV mount. These elephant anchors are very strong. It can hold large amount of weight. So after you mark that, you're going to use a 1/2 inch drill bit to make the hole to put in the elephant anchors. So let's see how we drill and how we put in the elephant anchors right here for this. So since it's just drywall, it's going to be very easy to drill. You want to use a 1/2 inch drill bit and make that holes top and bottom as you marked earlier. We put it furthest holes apart, but really you want to mount it every you want to put a hole every 16 inches. This is at the back. What happens? We use a little bag to catch the dust. You see what happens at the back is, so basically we are mounting directly to the drywall only. So here we're going to put in the elephant anchors. Insert that, bend it, insert that, and you want to pull it back tight. And we're going to do that, inserting the elephant anchors into all the 4 holes of this drywall piece. So this is another one. It's the elephant anchor. So these are really strong anchors, which are very reliable. So and this plastic is brittle, so you got to be careful when you handle them. Basically, you're putting a nut behind the wall. So put that in, holder at the back. So this is a more clear example.
Okay, slowly break
it goes in.
Okay,
pull it back against the wall and then snap it tight. Slowly, be very careful with these anchors, they can break easily, and then you just want to snap them off once it's tightened. Once the flange is tightened to the wall, it's going to be tightened. We're inserting another one. This is a view at the back. What happens? It snugs to the wall, to the drywall at the back, and then you want to pull the flange all the way to the end to keep it in place, and then snap off the extra plastic. Okay, so the anchor we used was a 1/4 inch 20 drywall elephant anchor. So we want to use the same screw, and before we put the mount on, we just want to use that 1/4 inch screw to make sure that it can fit the anchor.
Keep turning it.
The 1/4 20 inch anchor, that it can tighten through well. Okay, try all the 4 holes. Once you know everything is working, we know that this anchors do not have a problem. We want to put the mount on and put on the screw with it. So get a washer and a screw. It comes with the Condomounts mounting kit, the washer and the screw. So this is a 1/4 inch 1/4 20 screw. If you just have the anchor, then this is a screw that you can buy at any hardware store. So screw that in with your hand a little bit, make sure it's catching, and then once you know everything is in, you can use your power tool to tighten those screws. So tighten it a bit. Once they're all a little bit more left to screw in, you want to use your level to level the TV wall mount and tighten them. Do not over tighten. You just want to tighten it snug, strong, but do not tighten it too much, right? You don't want to over tighten it. Just tighten so it's just fair enough. It's strong, and the next step here is, then you're nearly done actually. You're done. TV's mount is strong. You want to take the TV where you put the vertical brackets on. If you see, what happens to the bracket is there's a hook, which just then you have to slide onto the, you see these 2 hooks? Yeah, you want to hook it like anything you hook when you hang something, right? And at the bottom is a safety screw, which you can tighten it later once the mount goes up. So now that thing is hooked, and that's it, you're done. And what you're going to do now is put in the safety screw at the bottom. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, any questions, please let us know at the bottom. Subscribe to our channel. We're always here to help you. Please put any questions down here. We're going to answer them within a couple of days. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Enjoy. And again, let us know anytime if you have any questions. Bye for now.